I know that you know English, you can read English, even you can understand whatever everyone says in English, but only problem you are suffering from, that is, you really don't know how to start speaking in English. Actually, nobody guides you in such a way so that you can start speaking in English at least. Right? No need to worry about that. Same problem happened to me in my life. But now I can speak in English and I can communicate with different people from different countries. There are plenty of examples, you can check it out. But how can I help you to improve your spoken English skill? Yes, I can definitely help you to improve your spoken English skill so that you can start speaking in English from now by yourself. I can suggest some basic, simple, practical points. If you follow them properly, step by step, I will guarantee you, nobody can restrict you from learning English. But you must follow those simple, basic points to improve your spoken English skill. That is the way I can help you. First basic simple point I will suggest you, that is, watch and listen English every day. Start watching and listening English movies, English TV shows, even English conversations. The more you absorb English, the more you will be confident in speaking in English. So, start watching and listening English today. This will really help you to improve your spoken English skill. Now, I will suggest second basic simple point, that is, chat with people in English. Whenever you want to send messages to your friends, to your family members, try to write in English. It may be broken, it may be mistaken, but no need to worry about that. Just keep writing. This will bring you in an English atmosphere. Really. So, whenever you want to send messages to your loving ones, try to write in English. Okay? Third basic simple point I will strongly recommend you, that is, read English storybooks. Start reading English storybooks. At first, you must try children's storybooks because those are written in a very simple way so that a child can understand. So, I will recommend you at the beginning, you can start reading English with children's storybooks. And I believe this will really help you to absorb English. So, start reading English storybooks today. If you want some children's English storybooks, there is a link in my description. Go and check it out. Fourth basic simple point I will strongly suggest you, that is, write down new words. Make a notebook for every new word and make sentences with the new words. If you can't, try to make sentences with your own language. Then translate it into English. There are many apps for translating a language to English. So, you can check it out. But why should you follow this point? Because it will increase your stock of words, as well as while making sentences with the new word, it will help you to think in English. And thinking in English is necessary to improve your spoken English skill. And final and fifth basic point is start speaking English today. Because speak English as much as you can, and this is the only major point you must follow. That is, start speaking English today. The more you speak in English, the more you will be confident in front of the world. So, you must start speaking in English. It may be mistaken, sometimes it may be broken. Don't worry at all. After some time, you will definitely be able to speak in English in a very simple way. So, no need to worry. Suppose you want to learn swimming, then what will you do? You have to go to the pond or swimming pool. Then you have to practice swimming again and again and again and again, right? To absorb the skill of the swimming. After a lot of practice, then you will be able to swim, right? Similarly, learning a language, it depends on the practice. The more you practice, the more you will be fluent in that language. So, start speaking in English today. Now, I have already told that how to start speaking in English, but if you want to know how can you improve your spoken English skill, click that video and check it out. Stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.